over here for me.
Hey,
do me a favor. Hey,
you were very aggressive,
what?
and he was very nice.
Okay, listen. What does your phone look like?
My phone is a black.
All right. Have you already paid your tab? How are you gonna call the phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not gonna call your phone for you, but
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost your phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care.
Ye bodycam footage Ekbar disturbance call SE start hodi high. Officers को dispatch मिलते है कि एक आदमी बाहर से निकालने से रिफ्यूज कर रहा है। लेकिन जैसे ही पुलिस आदि काटी है, क्लियर हो जाता है कि सितुतो सबसे पात नहीं, बानकी बेवाविदान escalato का जिट्स भी है। AAP notice carrying Kai's officer calm, tone, main suspect KO, side par balata high, step over here. Ye policing ka contact and control, phase hoda high. Jahan officers crowd SE subject KO, separate Cardi Hain TAA, coup conversation controlled environment main ho. Suspect ka primary concern phone high. Lekin Jahan, ek important nuance high. Officers Peli disturbance resolve Cardi Hain. Lost property investigation, secondary hodi high. Situation bilkul tansora he high kyunki, suspect emotionally invested high, or officer's procedural approach, follow car rahi hain. Kia upfeel ka hala hain would disconnect. Ek teraf frustration. Dusri teraf procedure. Abdeki kai's interaction, next level par, jada high.
one, I'm gonna help you out. Two, you're just not gonna tell me what you're gonna be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Cases.
Okay?
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
You already paid
Oh,
that.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I'm just telling you.
I'm not.
Now
being-
you're yelling. I don't appreciate
No, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked her,
yelling. Stop
listen,
yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you. And I asked, no, you with them. And I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
I've been talking to them a little, so I'm done with you.
No, well then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
You already
Have a good
paid
night.
All I want is my fucking phone.
They don't
You guys have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're
it,
gonna back up.
please,
You're gonna back up.
Going in there.
when I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You
That's on y'all.
can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie because I
Have a good
got
night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face. Because
Have a good night.
Conversation escalate on elagti, I jab suspect repeatedly insist karta, Ikebar staff neuska fonelia. Officer's explanation deed hain, business deny car, raha high. AAP notice carry an officer ka phrase. Have a good night. E casual dismissal nahi, baki lawful order to leave premises high. Jab business G she individual KO, remove karna chahi. Police trespass enforcement car, sakti high. Yahan curiosity moment. Kia suspect compliance, Karega ya confrontation continue Karega? Kyunki legally. Refusal to leave after warning trespass, charge ka, baseband, sakta high. Situation abo slowly emotional argument sa legal threshold ki taraf move karahi high. Decking next moment, main kia hoda high.
Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and ask
And now
them for
you're
my-
not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend you, can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are you
I pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very much so.
Me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay, they don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
pay.
making sense to me when
It's
I
not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But she doesn't give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem. So you were trying to help told you you're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How did you find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the fuck out my face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how
trying
this is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
We're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They don't
night.
have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with your
go back
phone.
The fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Go get my
Trespass
phone.
from here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Up escalation visible high. Suspect officers key authority challenge Carta High or repeatedly phone demand Carta High. Officers still de-escalation tone, maintain car Raha High. Reasoning offer car Raha High. Morning main property search car Socktain. AAP notice carrying Kai's officer suspect KO reasonable guy. Key H car report build Karn. Key Koshish Carta High. E-classic verbal de-escalation strategy high. Respect language use Karna TAA. Kus subject calm ho. Lekin Yahan emotional resistance strong high. O zap verbal komlan for hoti high. Policing girly enforcem mutmen sip hoti high. Kia AAP expect car. Rahi the Kuyi disagreement physical confrontation tack. Pohanch Sakta high.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come
fine.
back, you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just go for
Trespass. That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch. Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up. Give me the documentation. Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah. Like
Give me all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck I gotta go. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. And I can, give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck when the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation. Please. Give me your card. Give me your I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question.
Critical turning point. Suspect officers SE documentation or ID demand Carta High or physical proximity increase Carta High. AAP notice carrying officers clear boundary set Cardi Hain. Warning ka Agar Wapazaya to jail Jayaga. Ye final compliance warning Hodi High Joe later arrest justification Ka part Banny High. For sudden escalation, physical movement, grabbing behavior allegation, or officers touring control commands deed Hain. Give me your arm now. Yahan Deki Har second Ka impact Kitna critical high. Verbal disputes se physical detention tak transition almost instantaneous high. Ap ki sokhan ki sutpet goi escalito pritkan lak dahiti.
I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched an officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched an
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up. Get him up.
You guys are stationary. Call for it.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information.
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
There you go.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get? Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging app.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
Sheriff recording
Once she
information.
started getting the paperwork for you, behind
She
her,
didn't
okay?
do nothing.
So now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius?
No,
Is your name Darius?
all that
Is your
is
name
recording
Darius?
information.
Is your name Darius?
All that is recording
Is your name
information.
Darius?
I'm just actually.
Your debit card that you were looking for was
Yes.
found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about a no debit card.
You did, sir.
I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was in your
phone.
pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted to
call.
do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked was for recording
I
information.
went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for recording information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna film me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
I asked for recording information. Recording information. I'm not.
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked for was
Whatever you have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing
pockets.
games.
I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
You hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground. You
anything.
understand?
It's gonna be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right here.
183,
I don't have no
163.
cocaine in my pocket.
Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
Alright, have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't
Okay.
did nothing wrong. All I had to
Alright.
do was ask some
You
questions.
debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Screwed, boy.
If you find anything else on you, when you go to jail, it's gonna be another charge. And that's
I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems pure. Approximately half gram.
Step up.
I'm trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. Can I go in the penny wagon van for asking about my cell phone?
Yes, sir.
Orange and Amelia.
For asking about my cell phone.
Slide in. Have a seat. Watch it.